And our last example for the unit, and we start with factoring. Bottom is a difference of squares. Non-permissible values, x can't equal -3, and x can't equal 3, and this simplifies. So my new equation after simplifying is 1 over x minus 3. So the fact that the -3 non-permissible value went away tells me I have a hole at -3 comma something, and I can find the something by plugging that in to my new simplified equation, and I'll get 1 over -6. That x minus 3, the 3 non-permissible value of 3 doesn't go away. So that is still going to be a vertical asymptote. This is the easiest one for horizontal asymptotes. The degree of the green one is still bigger on the bottom. So now that we've got our hole, from now on, we just think about this equation. We're going to graph that equation and add the hole. So I'm going to have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. Then I'm going to start adding my asymptotes, and I'm going to put my hole on there. That was the last time I forgot that. So, vertical asymptote, x equals 3. Horizontal asymptote, y equals 0. Hole at -3, -1/6. Y-intercept, plug in 0 for x, go to the green equation, 1 over -3. X-intercepts, go to the green equation, look at the numerator. Well, the numerator is 1. Can 1 ever equal 0? No. I would be so rich if 1 could equal 0. You'd give me $1, I'd pay you back with $0. I do this over and over again. And it's all equal, it's all good. That section looks like this, because you've got a point and you've got the hole. Has to go towards the asymptotes. We need a point in section 2, so I would plug in 4. And if I plug in 4 into the green equation, I would get 1 over 1. And you might notice, you're like, oh yeah, what is that green equation? That is from our very first unit we graphed that. That's a 1 over x graph, move 3 units to the right. If you graph the 1 over x graph, move 3 units to the right, you would have also labeled this point to -1. Because these were the 2 key points of your 1 over x graph, right? And you just moved them over. So now we're seeing that depending on what unit we're looking at, we've got a couple of different strategies for graphing. This one, you could have used your strategies from chapter 3, but you can also use our new strategies and say, hey, once I have a nice point, color that in, it's not a hole. Then we just draw our graphs towards our asymptotes. Okay, you can circle question 6.